Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is endothermic reactions. Energy in, surroundings cooler. By the end of this video you'll know how to identify one, why delta H is positive, and the everyday examples. An endothermic reaction takes energy in from the surroundings, usually as heat. The temperature of the surroundings drops. Examples: thermal decomposition, photosynthesis, sports cold packs. Bond breaking absorbs more energy than bond making releases. Three things. 1. Heat is absorbed, surroundings cool down. 2. Delta H is positive, energy is entering the system. 3. Products sit at a higher energy level than reactants on a reaction profile diagram. Common slip is assuming endothermic reactions don't need heat. They often need it to get started, but they absorb more once running. Thermal decomposition reactions need continuous heating. They're endothermic, not just slow. Quick example: thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate, CaCO3, goes to CaO plus CO2, needs heat continuously. Sport cold packs use ammonium nitrate dissolving in water. The temperature in the pack drops sharply, cooling a sprain. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology, and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, with every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.